Welcome to Gamel Binod Cartoon World, the ultimate destination for cartoon lovers of all ages. Gamel Binod Cartoon World is a vibrant and entertaining YouTube channel dedicated to bringing you the best of animated content. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready to immerse yourself in the colorful world of Gamel Binod Cartoon World. It's time to let your inner child rejoice and rediscover the joy of cartoons. Once upon a time, nestled in the enchanting landscapes of the Koraput district, there existed a quaint village named BinodMediaProduction. This idyllic village was situated in the Portangi block, within the Nagam Grand Panchayat. Its picturesque setting was further enhanced by the presence of the majestic Demarli Hill, which stood tall and proud nearby, adding a touch of grandeur to the village's surroundings. GalagabdarVillageBy was a close-knit community where people lived in harmony with nature. The villagers had a deep reverence for their land and its resources, recognizing the importance of preserving the delicate balance between human activities and the environment. They understood that their well-being was intricately connected to the health of the surrounding forests, rivers, and hills. The villagers of BinodMediaProduction were known for their rich cultural heritage. They celebrated various festivals and rituals that showcased their vibrant traditions and values. One such festival was the annual Harvest Festival, where the villagers rejoiced in the bountiful harvests and offered gratitude to the gods for their blessings. During this festival, the entire village came together, adorned in colorful attire, and participated in lively music, dance, and cultural performances. It was a time of joy, unity, and celebration. The villagers of BinodMediaProduction had a deep sense of community and worked together to uplift their village. They had established a robust local governance system through the Nagam Grand Panchayat, which enabled them to address their collective needs and aspirations. Through the Panchayat, they had successfully implemented various development initiatives such as the construction of schools, healthcare centers, that improved the quality of life for all residents. Education held a special place in the hearts of the villagers. They firmly believed that knowledge was the key to progress and empowerment. To ensure that every child received a good education, they established a primary school in the village. The school became a hub of learning, nurturing young minds and providing them with the tools they needed to shape their future. The natural beauty surrounding the BinodMediaProduction attracted tourists from far and wide. The villagers, recognizing the potential of ecotourism, took steps to promote responsible tourism practices. They guided visitors on nature trails, showcasing the region's rich biodiversity and teaching them about the importance of conservation. This not only generated income for the village but also created awareness about the need to protect the fragile ecosystem. Over time, BinodMediaProduction became known as a model village, renowned for its sustainable practices and strong community bonds. It served as an inspiration to neighboring villages, encouraging them to adopt similar approaches to development and preservation. The story of Galagabdar's village in the Portangi block of the Nagam Grand Panchayat, near the Demarli Hill, is a testament to the power of community, culture, and environmental stewardship. It reminds us that with unity and a deep respect for nature, we can create a harmonious coexistence between humans and the world around us. Please subscribe my channel Gamel Binod Cartoon World. Thank you for watching.